In each of the following graphs, we're going to decide if a linear model would be appropriate. If we look at the first one, a linear model would be appropriate for this one. So we can say yes. The explanation is the points form a line, or roughly form a line. Really as simple as that. These points would line up almost in a straight line here. This one, a linear model, is not appropriate. Look at the curved shape here. These points would be down here somewhere. So we're going to say no, and I'm going to add something looks like a parabola. So those of you that have studied parabolas or quadratic equations, you'll know kind of what that shape is. It looks like a U or a rainbow. This one also, a linear model, is not appropriate. It looks like a circle. There's no line that's defined here at all. You could draw a bunch of best fit lines through this, and who knows which one it would be. The one on the right side is totally linear though. It has a negative relationship, but that's okay. So we're going to say yes, the points form a line. Really as easy as that. Oh, wait a minute here, we got a couple more to do. Forgot about those. So here's a couple more. Number 2 says, using the scatter plot and regression line below, approximately how many cats would a 50-year-old person have? Well, to figure this answer out, we're going to look at the age down here, and we're going to look at 50. And 50 is right smack dab in the middle. So we're going to try to draw a line as parallel to these other lines as possible and perpendicular here to the bottom line. Where it meets the curve, this is what our prediction, where it meets the curve, where it meets the blue line. How about that? That is where we think that point would lie. And so we have the x value, that's 50. To find the y value, which is actually kind of what we're looking for here, we're just going to draw a straight line over. So this would be 3.5. Well, I don't know if you can have 3.5 cats. So what I'm going to say, the answer to this is between 3 and 4. Alright, number 3, we have a similar setup over here. It says, using the scatter plot and regression line below, approximately how far can a 75-year-old driver see? So 75 is right here, and what we're going to do is the same process. We're going to try and make our ruler parallel with this line and perpendicular to the other one. We're going to draw it until it hits, and then we're going to bring over on that line. And again, we'll try to do this as parallel as we can. It's not going to be perfect, but it can be close. And you can see that we arrive at some value in here, which maybe is like 350, something like that. It's a little more, so you can maybe guess 360 or something. But it's in between 3 and 400. It's about right in the middle. So using the scatter plot and regression line, how far can a 75-year-old driver see? This is sign legibility distance in feet. And so we would say 350 feet using this prediction equation.